everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I hope you had a good holiday weekend. I know I didn't do a little chat, Sprinkles of Spirit chat last weekend, but I'm back, and today I want to talk to you about manifesting, 3 ways to boost your manifesting power. So what is manifesting? I know we all hear that word. It can be, I guess, kind of trendy or whatever in the yoga world, in the spirituality world. When you're on this path, you kind of start learning you are a co-creator of the life that you're living. And, it's something that, of course, I have worked on and definitely experienced the power to create your dreams, your goals, your wishes, and to see them manifest into real life is pretty awesome. And from my journey and my teachers and the books I've read and, throughout my life, what I've experienced, what works, what don't works, is I've kind of drilled it down to 3 things that I believe can help you begin to manifest, to co-create your best life now. Your dreams, if there's something you've been working on that you have wanted to create, begin to manifest, to co-create your best life now. Your dreams, if there's something you've been working on that you have wanted to create or cultivate in your life. Maybe it's the right job, maybe it's the right partner, a loving relationship, maybe it's the right friendships, maybe you're struggling to manifest the right home, maybe you're struggling with illness and you want to create and manifest vibrant health. So this is all possible, and the first thing it starts with is your thoughts, and that is, where are you dwelling? So there is an awesome podcast that you can listen to or kind of watch. I follow, shout out to Maria Menounos. I love her channel. It's awesome. She interviews everybody who I would want to interview. And she recently interviewed Dr. Daniel Amen, and if you've never heard of him, he is like the brain doctor. I remember I used to watch him a lot on those PBS specials, and I was fascinated on all the information about the brain and the power of our mind and how to keep it healthy and how to keep it strong. And he has coined the term, I love it, eliminating the ants in your life. What are ants? They are automatic negative thoughts that are living in your mind. So this is the first step to manifesting, because it's really super important to be aware of where are you dwelling in your mind. Our mind is so powerful, and yes, what you think you create. So if you are in a vicious cycle of having these automatic negative thoughts pop up, that when something goes wrong, or you had a bad day, or fear and worry start to creep in, and there's those ants creeping in, ooh, automatic negative thoughts start, and the wheel keeps turning, and the ants are running the show in your head. This is going to block you from manifesting. It is not going to work. What we think about, we really are creating. So if you find yourself dwelling in the thought of lack of anything, I'm lacking this relationship, I'm lacking the right job, I'm lacking vibrant health, you are co-creating more of that. I've definitely experienced it. Fear held me back for a long time, from starting my yoga teaching journey, from manifesting the right partner, having a loving relationship. If all you're thinking about is the lack of, or the fear of, or what if, it's just cultivating more of that. So you've got to get, a control, right? Mindfulness. And that is something you learn through yoga. Yes, meditation. And your yoga and meditation practice will definitely help you. The first thing we learn is to be mindful of the breath, right? So when you're mindful of your thoughts, you become the witness to your thoughts, right? You can actually separate yourself and go, oh, wow, look at that. That conversation just completely triggered me. Isn't that interesting? I am basically welling up with some kind of a fear right now, or anger, or confusion. I feel myself retracting. You can actually be the witness to this happening in the mind. And then what happens, once you witness that thought, you can then let it go and go, you know what? I recognize this thought. Yoga and mindfulness helps you realize thoughts and feelings, they're not who we are, right? They're not real. They're just there. You actually have the power to choose to hold on to it or not. And you can say, oh, isn't that interesting? That triggered me. But you know what? The reality is I'm not there anymore. I'm here. And right now I'm healthy and I'm happy and I'm doing well. And I'm going to focus on that. And I'm going to focus on the love I do have in my life, the health I do have in my life, the friendships I do have in my life. You can literally shift that negative thought pattern. You can literally kill the ants in your mind. So then the next step is, there's 2 more steps I would say to manifesting. And the second step is, having faith, yes, in the universe, a higher power, God, spirit, whatever name you want to call it, Buddha. We offer, right? We offer this intention or the prayer, right, to help, may I co-create this, right? And then it's about receiving guidance, right? We all get guidance when you ask, what should I really do about that? You kind of know already. It's there. The answer is there. You just have to get quiet so you can hear these answers in your heart, inside yourself. And then you take what I call divinely guided action. We are co-creators in the life we are living. We can't just go, okay, I'm going to ask God. I want to work here, and I want to be with that person, or, I want this to happen next week, and then just go, all right, and not participate in your life, and not continue to grow and work and be the person, right, that you would need to be to create all of that, right? Take the class, get the counseling, join the gym, start to exercise, do your yoga practice, eat healthier. Like, you have to participate and take divinely guided action towards your dream, your goal, your wish in order to manifest it. We are not stagnant. We are co-creating. So, taking divinely guided action, right? So first step, get rid of the negative thoughts. Second step is take the divinely guided action to be your best self now, whatever that means today or what's going on in your life. And then the third step is surrender. And no, surrender does not mean giving up. You're over it. But there is a sense of peace where you go, okay, I'm in alignment with my highest self. I'm in alignment with right things in my life, with loving people. I'm doing the right thing. I'm taking care of myself. I've healed the past, right? Then it's about offering it up, just offering it up and continuing on that path to do the right thing, to keep improving your health, to keep growing. And you kind of surrender and you go, okay, you know what? I'm on the right path and I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. And you let it go. You don't obsess about it every day and be like, I'm manifesting. Like, why isn't this happening? That's the clenching and the holding. It's going to block it. You have to surrender it and have a peace about you and trust, right? That's the key word. Trust that it's already there for you. It's already there, out there for you. Everything is about divine timing, and you have to trust that divine timing. So that would be the third step, is to surrender and trust and have faith in divine timing for your life. So those are my 3 tips on how to boost your manifesting power. I hope you get something out of this. Let me know what you think, your thoughts, your comments. I'm watching the time. I don't like our videos to get too long. And give this a try. If you haven't done this, get yourself a journal. And maybe start journaling about this. Watch this back, take some notes on the 3 steps, and give it a try this week and see how that works for you. So, and watch that podcast with Dr. Daniel Amen about the negative thoughts. It's awesome. It's powerful. I'll leave the link below so you can watch it. So, all right. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I hope you're liking our little chats. Send me your Instagram messages, ideas, comments, the bad, the good. It's all good. I welcome it all because the more feedback I get, the more I know what I can create in order to help serve you. So join me on this path. It's fun, and I will see you next time. Have a beautiful day.